Do you remember how to say hello or hi in Cantonese? That's right, 你好. We usually say it to the people when we meet the first time. So we do not say it to our neighbors or colleagues who we see every day. In this tutorial, you'll learn 6 alternative expressions to 你好 in Cantonese. Hey guys, here is Yuki Webster in Cantonese Daily Conversation, 5 minutes every day. 廣東話日常用語，每日5分鐘。From wsparkschuler.com. Before we start, I would like to give a short self-introduction. I was born and raised in Hong Kong. In 2004, I attained my bachelor's degree in Australia. I then spent over 10 years working in Hong Kong, China, Southeast Asia, and Australia. About 5 years ago, I moved to Germany and started my new life. Yes, new country, new language, new culture. Trust me, I understand how it's like to be in a place where people generally do not speak your first and second language. And therefore, I set up this channel to help all Chinese learners to learn Cantonese daily conversation. So if you're interested in learning Cantonese, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification icon below. Feel free to share the link with your friends and family in social media. Okay, let's start our tutorial today. The young generation would say hi or hello in English when we see our friends, neighbors, and colleagues. But there are many ways to say hi in Cantonese, especially to the people that we see regularly, like neighbors, security guards, or bus drivers. You may recognize some of them. You may be curious about how should you reply to them. 早晨，早晨，早晨. Good morning. You can say it to anyone in the morning. People will probably say back to you, 早晨。先生早晨 Good morning, sir. 小姐早晨 Good morning, miss. Now you know what to say back to the people when they say 早晨 to you. 早晨. In Cantonese, we don't usually say good afternoon or good evening. Instead, we say these. 食咗飯未？食咗飯未？食咗飯未？ Have you had your meal? 飯 means rice. In Chinese culture, rice is a basic dish in every lunch and dinner. Therefore, we would ask people if they have had rice to represent a meal. It is common to say after lunchtime and in the evening. 食咗飯未？食 means eat. 食咗 means ate or have eaten. 飯 means rice. 未 is a question word. Means have you or haven't you. 食咗飯未? Have you had your meal? When people ask you 食咗飯未? Have you had your meal? You can say 食咗啦，唔該。食咗啦，唔該。Have eaten already, thank you. 食咗啦，唔該。If you haven't eaten already, you want to say not yet, we'll eat in a bit. You can say 未啊，一陣先食。未啊，一陣先食。未啊，一陣先食。未啊，未啊，not yet. 一陣先，一陣先 will in a bit， 食，食 eat， 未啊，一陣先食。Talking about having a meal, when we are having a meal with our friends, family, or colleagues, no matter we are having our own dish or we are sharing dishes on the same table, we will say this before we start. 大家食飯，大家食飯，大家食飯 means let's eat. 大家 means everyone. In tradition, we respect each other and we will wait until everyone are sitting around the table and then we start to eat at the same time. 大家食飯。Some people we see every morning. For example, your neighbors, the security guards, or even the bus driver. They may say to you, 返工啊，返工啊。Going to work? 返工 means go to work. Is a question word. 返工啊. People ask this just to be polite or to start a conversation. 返工啊. So you could casually answer 係啊，係啊。係 means yes. Just make the conversation sounds more like talking to a person instead of a robot. And it doesn't matter if it's not true, because it's not an important question. So just casually say, 係啊. When you are coming home from work and you see the security guard or the neighbor again, they may say to you, 放工啦，放工啦，放工啦. Finish work? 放工 means finish work. 啦 is a question word. 放工啦. Same again, they may not really want to know the truth, they just be polite. 放工啦. So you could casually answer 係啊，係啊. So if you are a student and you are wearing a school uniform in the morning, your neighbor may say 返學啊，返學啊，返學啊. Going to school? 返學 go to school. Is a question word. 返學啊. So you could casually answer 係啊，係啊. Same again. When you are coming home from school and you see your neighbor, they may say 放學啦，放學啦，放學啦. Finish school? 放學 means finish school. 啦 is a question word. 放學啦. So you could casually answer 係啊，係啊. Let's do a little recap. 早晨 Good morning. 食咗飯未 Have you had a meal? 食咗啦，唔該 Have already eaten, thank you. 未啊，一陣先食 Not yet, we'll eat in a bit. 大家食飯 Let's eat. 返工啊 Going to work? 放工啦 Finish work? 係啊 Yes. 返學啊 Going to school? 放學啦 Finish school? 係啊 Yes. This is the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoy learning Cantonese. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, please make sure you click on thumbs up and share with your friends and family. You can find the details of this tutorial on my website. The link is down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.